Amidst the chaos of the film set, Leonardo DiCaprio stands tall, his detective role shining through. Leonardo's scrutinizing gaze falls upon the empty seat, the clue that would unravel the mystery. Leonardo's piercing questions push the crew member to the edge, unraveling their secrets. Leonardo's hands delve into the mess of props, desperately searching for a clue that could crack the case. The lead investigator's grave expression reveals the seriousness of the case, as Leonardo is presented with a list of potential culprits. Leonardo's gaze fixates on the photo. A spark of intuition ignites within him, pointing him towards the wealthy businessman.